Kay kami na hile Sonia Lamngaichin ya ka na hile dumlin Manipur. Nu mina hile lai chai ha kapa mina hile lal khosai ahi una zat ke hole mi panga ke hewa ke puma aban le amin teo hile ke chu Sonia Lamngaichin ne het sabe koi ha aban le second na chu kimlem fela hi a third na chu chongne hoi fourth na chu hoi nei ting aban le mangso kim anyau pen hi kanu to kapa occupation e che hile kan kapa hile gari to la hiya aban le kanu hi housewife la hi aban le mele zuk se ka zlo chule e aban le asa worker le hi ke ga school kai na hi mun chum chuma hi sekin aban bana hongen dike ha first school chile Lagos English High School that was in BI Salon and I studied there up to class 5, and from 6 I studied at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Salemveng in Manipur, and from 11 to 12 I studied at St. Paul Institute, and college I studied at Rayburn College, that is in Gangpimul, Manipur. Public appearance public la kasak mun na pen kasak masat na pen su ahile BI Zalona EOC church ahia I was so excited when I sing the first time in the church. Since I was so excited, I feel so happy inside, and I am so glad that I can sing praise and worship song for God. Cái idol là hile Morissette Philippines te hiya ama hi kaya nga chu ka idol tak take ai chu ama singing technique ho hiya hoi ka sana ban le high pitch ho le hoi ka sa hen ama alai ka sakale nung le ka sai cái ka sports favorite pen chu le chu volleyball and basketball hiya aban le high school line le kan ha participate since I was the Blue House captain. I used to participate among a Blue House for the sport competition, and we sometimes win the prize, and I am so glad about that, and I am so interested in sport also. My church name is Mizoram Presbyterian Church ahi. Zofa Lelte kapan sungahin kapat sumpi mama ken le lasak nalam kong judge tene advice nalam hitalele zlo chile loile paile I made a lot of new friends till now. It is akhang to tur me ka loite ho hile aban le kapat sumpi mama me khat chwe le mizo si hi pum khata hi uti chu het si dingun kong gen kit son hian la mizo si hi pum khata ding hiu Krista Jesu zala pum khata hiu ti chu konggen no mai
top 3 hian in lo than kin ni ta la lo man hi enga tan nge imana
ama sa pedin pathin king in lanin kating aban le dumli lama ka Christine khang lai pol pi te ho kha orphanage bedding ati wa chun jita ka chun I want to help them as much as I can. And the rest is up to God's will.
Ye tikhanin sonei kom na chu khati jong kha ni sela hun hu tak men pe ka wangin sonei chunga lom thu kan se Sonia kan lom me